Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome to my channel. I'm Ariana. This morning I am out taking just a little walk before work. I didn't feel like going to the gym. I've been doing a lot lately, but I do need to get a little exercise, so I'm just taking a nice little walk outside. It doesn't feel too cold out here right now, so that's pretty good, but it is about that time that I head back and get my stuff and then head to work. It's so pretty. I want to show y'all what it looks like over here at nighttime, because with all the lights, it is so pretty. But let me show y'all some of the lights. Hey y'all, so I'm walking right now. I'm just taking a walk around the building. I just needed to get out of the building. We're gonna cut through actually. I feel like I started to fall asleep, so I just had to get up, walk around. I don't have much work to do today, so I think they actually are like did something like a little party up there, but I didn't want to go to it. It was like a line all the way up a staircase, and there's still a line. I was like, I'm not waiting in line. So, yep. I think I'm gonna start doing this though, like taking a little walk. I don't know. Definitely think so. Actually, can I just, let's see. We're back inside now. Let me see. Yep. All right. I will see y'all later. I'm about to go back up to work. Just did a little walk around the building. See you later. So I just got off work. I normally do wait until, I normally stay at work like an hour and a half after I get off, because traffic is so bad. And where I'm at right now is not a good place to stay and park down here. So yeah, I'm about to be stuck in traffic, and it's about to be horrible. Yeah. Y'all, when is the last time y'all saw a store like this that you can drive through? So that truck just came out. I gotta go there one day. Not right now because I have somewhere to be, but yep. One day I'm gonna go there. That looks so cool. So I'm not sure where it's leaking from, but it has spilled everywhere. So the water is under here, all over the floor still. And down here. I am definitely gonna have to redo my floor. It's a lot of moisture under here and it's starting to pill up. I just got off. I just want to relax. I have to edit. I have and I have a lot of stuff to clean, and it's not just cleaning up the water because it's from my gray water tank. So I have to go and bleach this. I have to bleach all of this, like all of this down. I had a bag of clothes sitting on the floor because I was gonna go wash. It's soaked now. My attitude is pretty bad right now. Like, I'm not feeling this right now. I am so mad. And I have a huge mess over here, everywhere. Because I had to take everything out. And I had to move stuff that was on the floor that is now wet. It's... Oh my goodness, it's so wet, the floor. Look, it's coming up. The paint that was on the floor right here, all coming up. So I just finished cleaning up. I bleached the floor 3 times. So I'm pretty sure it's clean, but it just doesn't feel clean enough. You know what I'm saying? Someone just came and knocked on my window and said I'm out here. And I always keep my my pocket, you know, on me. So I'm reaching back. I'm stunned because who the is this? I don't see the person anymore. I don't even want to park here anymore. Yeah, I don't want to park here anymore. Okay. Yeah, so I think I might move. Give me a second, y'all. What the heck? Let me turn this off. Let's go. I'm not parking here. I'm not. Nope. I will find another spot, but I'm not parking here. Oh, just water, just water. All right, so let's try this again. So I did move spots. I'm in a completely different place right now. I feel more comfortable, so that's good. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. And don't worry, y'all, I'm gonna be safe. I have everything in here that I need to be safe. I'm in Texas, y'all. If you know, you know. It's open carry down here. Got this. Okay, don't worry, because I also have a bat. It's still, like I said, I have a lot of pocket, you know what I'm saying? So I'm good in here. Don't worry, I got this. I got it. But thank y'all so much for chilling with me today. It was like my day started off amazing and ended. Y'all saw how it ended. But again, I'm good. Thank y'all so much for chilling with me, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all.